by Jamaica, 36.84.
Yes, my Jamaican people. This is the sitting room commentator once more. Final commentary. Cameraman lost control and mess up. You see in 200-meter celebration. Well, this is the final showdown party in the bird's nest. So come on, birds. Fly away.
Oh, America didn't get out at all. Bromwell was slow to rise and again.
Come on, birds. Show them how you can flip your wings. Yes, 1,000 volt of bolt. The flyaway posse going to shock you all for the rest of your life. The king of sprint. 10 gold championship. Come on, Jamaica. Come on, Jamaica. World's #1. Welch clinches the 100-meter. Yes, the man that clinched the 100-meter. The man that clinched the 200-meter. The world's champion. He's a Jamaican. He's the fastest. He's the fittest. He's the competitor of all time. The world's #1 legend. Jamaican. Usain. One word. Bolt. Come on, bring on his picture and take off the Chinaman. Yes, the world's #1. You are the greatest. You're a legend. Yes, that's it. 100 relay. The whole works. 200. Yes, Jamaica people. The real quartet. Jamaica to the world. This is my final commentary to Pernella, to Joan, to Jackie, to all the people, Elaine, you name them, that enjoy Jacqueline Brown, Pernella Jagan, that enjoy my moments. Thank you all. This is the sitting room commentator. One word, Jamaica. One man, Bolt. See you all in Rio next year. Goodbye.